village began already. But it wasn't like it. It was opened up by man. The name Akosombo, this area is known as Akosombo. Akosombo literally means, it's an Akan word. Now, look behind you. No, those over here should look this way. Those over here should look straight ahead. Look at the hills. It goes up, come down, goes up, come down. It's like a chain. The formation of the hills looks like a chain. And this is a sandstone. So in our local dialect, Nkonson means a chain. So Nkonson meaning a chain of rocks. And Nkonson became Akosombo, but it's known as Nkonson meaning a chain of hills. That's why you can see a lot of hills around this area. Yeah. When you go a little further, closer to the dam, I will tell you something also there. Now, all those villages that you see around here, once upon a time they were not at this place. They were very far away. But when they were dredging the dam or opening up for the intake of water from the northern part, from Burkina Faso, which is not in part of Ghana, another country. So when it drains there, it drains down to this place. And we have the tributes of water, about 37 tributes of water that also run into the main dam. And they created a very big area. That is the intake. So the water comes through that area, and when it gets to that place, it passes through a turbine. It spins the turbine, and when it spins the turbine, it generates electricity. It's the cheapest way of generating electricity. So these people were at those villages, and because of that, they have to take them off from that place for resettlement. The government at that time, that Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, compensated them, and up to now, they are still being compensated. Those over here have free medical care. Free medical care. And all those people along the water leak. Free medical care. At some places there is no hospital. So the government have created a hospital boats. A hospital boats that goes to the villages twice every week to give them a health care. So if you are sick, if it's immediate, then you have to use the boat, go to the nearest, cross the river, go to other village or other places. If they are not, and you can wait, then you have to wait for the ferry to come, and then they'll give you a medical care. Yeah.